Hey guys, Quinn with 74 Weld out here in the Mojave Desert, testing and debuting our 2023 Tacoma that we put on portal axles. This thing is a fresh build we're debuting at Overland Expo. For those that aren't familiar with portals, it's a gearbox that goes at the wheel that instead of a lift, the portal gives you a lift. It gives you a gear reduction, so it re-gears your truck, and it allows us to drive over a 5-gallon Home Depot bucket with no suspension modifications.
Talk about clearance.
So you might have seen some of our products on Ultra 4, on all the top drivers, Lauren Healy, Vaughn Gittin Jr., Jason Shear, Brad Lovell. We also did the 4600 Bronco, and we've got several trophy trucks that run our stuff. So we took that race technology and brought it to mass market. We rolled it out in Jeep Wranglers first, and now we're doing the Toyota Tacomas. So the reason I'm talking to you is because even though the portals re-gear your final axle ratio, it's still a Tacoma, it's still a bit sluggish, so we reached out to our friends at Banks and got ourselves a PedalMonster. So we got the PedalMonster here, the OBD2 here. This is what sets it apart from all the other controllers. Let's go ahead and install it. All right, the pedal intercept is now connected. Now it's time for OBD. That was easy. App is downloaded to my phone. Let's go ahead and calibrate the PedalMonster. That's it. Let's go for a ride.
So Quinn, you know how this truck responds stock. Obviously, it's yours.
It's a little sluggish.
So right now you're in stock mode. Go ahead and put it in city, all right? And let's go up like halfway in city. And let's just go down our dirt course here in the Mojave and tell me what you think.
All right. Definitely more responsive on the throttle. It's pretty good.
And this is only city.
Let's try sport mode.
All right. Let's go like sport and then go up to 8. Give me some beans.
Oh yeah.
How much ground clearance do you have now with these portals?
So it gives you an extra 4 inches of ground clearance underneath the diffs.
That's amazing. So with your re-gearing and PedalMonster, I think this thing is going to be pretty fun.
It definitely has the pickup that you want, that's for sure. Dang. It doesn't take much. That's cool.
You're lighting them up back there. You're lighting up 37s in a Tacoma, by the way.
And I'm not even trying.
We should probably slow down here. This is where people live, this section over here.
All right. Sport is crazy.
Right? And you didn't even try track yet.
Yeah, track's just gonna light them up.
What do you think?
It's pretty good. There's a huge difference. Definitely way more responsive.
All right, Quinn, what I want you to do now is put the truck in reverse, and I want to show you what happens. All right, you see how that little LED lights up blue?
Yep.
You're now in stock throttle going backwards. Okay. So it is the only throttle controller that sets you back to stock in reverse because it's on your OBD and it knows what gear you're in.
That's really cool.
Right?
Hey guys, here at Overland Expo, got a chance to rip this thing around the Mojave Desert a bit. The PedalMonster is frickin' awesome.